Hi, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Godaddy domain to Namecheap hosting. If you've ever been confused about linking your domain registration with a different hosting provider, don't worry. First, log in to your Godaddy account. Once you're inside your dashboard, go to the My Products page where you'll see all the domains you own. Find the specific domain you want to connect to Namecheap hosting. Next to that domain, click on the DNS button. This will take you to the domain settings page. Scroll down until you find the Nameservers section. By default, your domain is set to use Godaddy's Nameservers. Since we want to connect it to Namecheap hosting, we need to change this. Click on Change in the Nameservers section. You'll see the option to switch from default to custom. Select Custom so you can enter the nameservers provided by your Namecheap hosting account. Now, open a new tab and log in to your Namecheap account. Go to your dashboard and then to Domain List. Choose the domain that matches the one you're connecting from Godaddy and click on Manage. Inside the domain settings, locate the nameservers provided by Namecheap hosting. They usually look something like dns1.namecheaphosting.com and dns2.namecheaphosting.com. Copy both of these nameservers carefully. Then return to Godaddy and paste them into the custom nameserver fields. Make sure there are no extra spaces before or after the nameservers, as that can cause errors. Once everything is entered correctly, click Save to apply the changes. After saving, the update process will begin. Once propagation is complete, your Godaddy domain will be successfully connected to your Namecheap hosting. From this point forward, any website changes, file uploads, database management, or email setup should be done inside your Namecheap hosting control panel. To quickly recap, we logged into Godaddy, switched the nameservers to custom, copied the correct nameservers from Namecheap, and saved the changes to start the propagation process. This simple adjustment allows you to use your Godaddy domain together with Namecheap hosting without any issues. I hope this guide made the process clear and easy to follow. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy website managing!